Hi, this is Chef Mural from Song of India. Welcome to the Deepavali special. This is my butter chicken with a twist. We need chicken, boneless chicken. Cut the chicken into 2-inch pieces so that when you cook it in the oven, it will be evenly cooked and there won't be any rawness. So here our chicken is ready. We'll keep it aside. And now we'll make the marination for the chicken tikka. So for the marination, what we need is yogurt, around 500 grams, cheese, around 20 grams, cumin powder, around 2 teaspoons, coriander powder, 2 teaspoons, and garam masala, 1 teaspoon, chili powder can be around 4 teaspoons, so that it will give a nice color. Some salt according to the taste. The salt can be adjusted at the last 2. The ginger garlic paste, ideally ginger garlic can be equal portion of ginger and garlic, just grind it in a blender, so around 3 teaspoons. Now I will add a little bit of color so that the marination is evenly colorful. After cooking in the oven, it will look more eye-appealing. So now I am adding the mustard oil in the marination, roughly 2 tablespoons. So it will give a very unique taste to the chicken tikka. So now we'll nicely blend it with a whisk. Make sure the marination is smooth. In the marination I can see the color is a bit less, so I will add a little bit of more color. So the mixture is ready, it's quite smooth. Take out the whisk. I'll put the chicken, mix it well so that whole marination is nicely coated to the chicken. Now the marination is ready. Keep it aside for marinate for 1 to 2 hours. If you have time, keep it for overnight marination. The chicken will be more tastier. Now the marination is ready. I'll put on a tray to cook it in an oven. So nicely put it. There is an even space on the tray so that it doesn't stick to each other. Now the marinated chicken is ready. Put it in the oven to cook it at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. While the chicken is cooking in the oven, let's make the sauce. So we'll take a pan and heat up in the medium heat. I'll take first olive oil. You can use around 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Let it heat up. Oil is almost heated. I will add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. You can see a nice flavor is coming now. So after this I will add the tomato puree, half a liter. Once you put the tomato puree, you can heat up on a higher flame. Let it boil first. As you can see, the bubbles are coming in the puree. Now I will add the chili powder, around 2 teaspoons. This is kasuri methi. When you add in the kasuri methi, there is a small technique. Put it in your hands and rub it. When you rub it, it gives a very nice flavor. My butter chicken has a twist. I'm adding honey instead of sugar. To give a nice healthy touch, you can add 2 tablespoons of honey. You need to stir it for 5 to 10 minutes continuously on a medium flame. Now you can see the bubbles are coming. It's almost now 10-15 minutes we have cooked it. We'll add salt, garam masala powder, around 1 teaspoon. And to give a little bit of nice color, we'll add a little bit of orange red color. Because food looks beautiful, then people like to eat the food. Yeah, you can see now the water is reduced. So our gravy is almost ready. We will finish it off with some cream and 3 teaspoons of butter. You can see the nicely color is coming, nice orange red color. The texture of the gravy has to be smooth, like how it looks like this. Now the gravy is almost ready. It's time to put the chicken in the gravy. Now cook this gravy for 8 to 10 minutes on the medium flame. Now the chicken is done, so it's time to plating. So I have made the saffron pulao, a rice generally flavored with nicely saffron. So I'll put some saffron top of it as a garnish, and believe me, the saffron pulao goes very well with the butter chicken. So I will do the plating. Nicely arrange the chicken. I'll put around 4 pieces of chicken in this plate, and I'll pour some sauce. You can do a little bit of twist, like do a little bit of garnish like this. Finished with some cream, butter. Finally garnished with this nice coriander leaf, and try this my butter chicken for this Deepavali.